Good morning, everybody. Today, this morning, I will try to implement ToDo List Application with Laravel, which is a framework for web artisans. You know? Now, let's see. Well, we'll take a look at the documentation. Meet Laravel. New to Laravel? Yes, I haven't. Prior to this exercise, I didn't have any familiarity with Laravel, and I haven't written any PHP line of code for years, so the good thing is that I did exercise this bootcamp prior to this session video, so I think we'll be okay. We're going to click here, and we are being offered three options. We are going to choose Blade, but this technology seems quite cool. Maybe in another video we are going to exercise this couple of technologies. Most likely not. We'll see. Now, this is templates. You probably know this format from other web frameworks like Django. Okay, but I will try to do this in 1 hour. Okay. Sorry. So let's set an alarm here in order to not waste too much time of yours. We're going to set this alarm. Yeah, 2 minutes, extra minutes, 2 extra minutes. 9. Okay. We have our alarm here. Okay, installation. Also, I have this set of tabs which are related to several parts of the documentation. This is great. Laravel have great documentation. It's cool. It's cool. It's a like extra point for Laravel. Documentation is very important. Routing, we will need it. Also, we have this. We are going to use SQLite. I don't know how do you pronounce it. I have this open in advance because I don't want to be performing search in real time. Here it is in case I was. Okay, let's get started. We're going to use Debian. If you see me looking down, it's because my keyboard is downside the laptop. Okay, we are going to switch directories, workshops, PHP land. We are in the land of PHP. And of course I already installed PHP and Composer, so we are just to start right from here, and I want to implement this ToDo List application in relation to this BootCamp, so I can elaborate in certain parts of this material. Yeah, I didn't want to overthink this. Okay, create the application. But this is the installation. If you don't have installed PHP and Composer, most likely you will be using your the repositories and the packages available in your distro, Linux distro or Windows in this case. I don't know, it's up to you. Okay, let's get started creating the application. Another thing, sometimes I will be typing the command, and some other times if it's too much code, I will just copy paste it right from the website. Let's start with this: compose, create, project, Laravel, in here it's called Chirp because it's like some famous web application. We are going to instead called ToDo from the ToDo List, and AA because this is quite famous these days. Everybody wants to do this AA stuff. Okay, so I think we are ready. We have and the thing is created. We have changed directories. We're going to serve this stuff right away. Okay. So PHP serve artisan. And we are now able to visit this okay. Now take a look at this side of the application. We have nothing over here. Take note of this. Going back to the BootCamp, and there are more instructions if you are going to use Docker. We're going to stop the server because we need to update. We're going to use SQLite. We need to update this file. Also, I'm using BI editor because I want to learn to use it. You don't have to use whatever makes you most productive. If you take advantage of the new features in the IDEs, code generation and everything. In my case, I want to type to build muscle memory, and I want to learn this BI editor, which probably slow. I don't know all the commands. Okay, look at this. SQLite. Okay. Well, we can leave this thing alone. This is for Docker. Now we are going to install Breeze. If you want to, this will give us the foundation for some authentication mechanisms, and it will include other stuff. Okay, we are going to write here it is the template engine. Clear this. Okay, composer. Require Laravel, Breeze. We are just now. Okay, we're going to clear again the console so you can have this. So the commands are quite at the center of the screen. Now we are going to install Blade. Okay, install Blade. This is the tool animation over here. Well, great. Now this is a cool feature again because it will automatically reload all changes. So we're going to execute this command, and we're going to leave this alone. It will be running, and we're going to open another instance of the terminal, another tab. You know, time is running quite fast. I don't know if I will be able to finish this in 1 hour. It's okay. I'm more focused in explaining, not in speed, in rushing to finish. Okay, rushes PHP done. To do. We need to perform a migration because some tables need to be created for this functionality. Database, right? Now, I think we're going to now let this thing running over here. Here, you know, these things are new. We can now register ourselves and log in. These were brought with the last installation. Breeze and Blade. Okay, we can creating Chirp. In our case, creating tasks. Since this thing will be running over here, we are going to open another instance. And in here there is an explanation about models, migration, and controllers. You can, again, it's well documented. Most likely you have already experienced it in another web framework. If that's not the case, there is a book. This is not related to but by David Patterson, Armando Fox. It's great. Here it is. I always recommend this book in case you are new with this stuff. It's a great resource, and then you can apply all this information to Django or any other web framework. Of course, you will adapt. Well, these things are great. It's free. We're going to create a model. We're going to pass these flags to create what they call a resource controller. What is a make model? Let's see. Task. Because we're going to do a to-do list, so we need task instead of Chirp. And these have been created: a task model, a migration, controller. Great. Routing. Since we have created what we call resource controller, we are going to update the routes over here in this web. Routes web. Over here. And here is the part. If you are learning, it's recommended to type, but in this case I'm going to copy paste. I'm going to get rid of this verified section element in this list, because I don't want to, for this time, to have to verify the accounts we are going to be creating. So out is just enough, but it is great to be able to use these features right away, to have this functionality out of the box, We can move on. We are done here. Now we are going to update the task controller. Okay, this is not necessary for us, because in here they are just showing that you can now from the controller send a response, a hello world. This is great because it is the minimum in its elemental form. think they are changing this for returning a view, you know, and this is where we are going to start. This is the task controller. Oh my god, time is flying. Needs to be faster. Eliminate view. I'm not ordering this alphabetically because I started to get some time won't be enough, but it's okay. Okay, now we are going to return the view. For this, we want to look for index. Here it is. Also it's right here. Return view choose task index. Here I started to happened. You know, I am learning via editor. I'm going to the first line. Okay. Now we are returning the view. In our case, it will be task index. And of course, we are going to copy paste this. You know, it's a lot to be written. This is the template for the index that we are returning over here. It is resources. Resources. Yeah, so word this directory that is resources views task. No. Now we can create a file index. These are like conventions, mainly conventions. And we're going to, tasks. We're going to leave this field as it is. We're going to change this task description. We can change here the description, but since we are going to be copy pasting for this time, we are leaving this field name. Of course, you name the stuff as the things you are storing. These are classes on type A1. We need to change these two. Save. There is a function all to retrieve all errors. Which is again right. Apparently we can now see now our changes right away, but we are going to add instead this navigation menu, you know. Maybe I can show you. You can see tasks. We're going to add this first. We go and wait too much time. I don't have to explain everything. We're going to add this navigation menu. With the navigation plate. Resources views, layout, navigation plate. Okay. Down the dashboard, you know. Me should be here. Okay. Same here. And here. We are formatting your stuff, tasks for us, and we're going to tasks, and you can navigate with W, yeah. another section that we need to update. Responsive. I can't see it. There they are. Let's got these two. Now here. Okay, we're going to format. Same as before, this is our menu, navigation menu, and our routes, tasks, I think now it should be able to come here, create an account name, going to use this, and you know it has already validation this rate. Now we are being saluted with an error about tasks index not defined. That's why when we some minutes ago when we came here, there was like nothing. Let us see. You have to be careful when you're pasting code. We didn't change nothing in here. No. Unbelievable. No. Probably you saw in the background that this thing reloaded automatically. That's this is stuff in action. Bye. Okay, this is the recent menu, navigation menu. Another error. Now what? Task controller does not exist. Yeah, that's right. We haven't created a task controller. That's right, but I'm not sure. Should be. If this is quite right, because shouldn't be. Where are the routes? Chirp controller. These are the routes. And it says that this thing doesn't exist because we haven't like, you know, in the case of Java, imported the stuff. I want to change that. Task controller. Okay, task, your task description at last, at least, at last. Uh-oh, we are running out of time. Okay, these are the navigation menus. Saving the Chirp. This will be in the controller. Create the download, update the store method on a Chirp controller class, validate. Yeah, it's time for us to add the fields related to our task model. So this will take me more than 1 hour, you know. We have 20 minutes and I am not typing fast enough. It's alright. Okay, we are going to the design that we're going to bring to the already existing foundation is they already were showing how to save this field, so building about on top of that we need to define text field here for our task title. Time. Here it is. Alright. Here we have an example. We can borrow. Yeah. Because as you can see, I'm not typing fast enough. Okay. Yes. Title it's okay because it's the title of the task. Value. I don't want to have a value right now. Let's get rid of this too. Oh. Instead, we have type text, name title. Instead, we are borrowing this. Task title. It's like not necessary right now. Now here is the task title. They are two, stick together. You can put now they are separated. Now they have the same length. I think that's okay. We will have our task title. The task description. Every new task will be new, so key state is new or pending, and we are going to have buttons to edit them and complete the task. It will be a matter of a click of a button. So the pending task that will be here in this space, it will be completed in that way. You can add a checkbox or radio buttons, but I mean every new task is new, unless you have completed something in advance and you want to document the thing in your ToDo list. Okay, now we are here in the task controller. What's going on here? Saving. We are ready to. We haven't performed any migration. Here they are. Okay, so 20 minutes and we run out of time. I'm not sure if I'm going to make it. As I said, okay. Okay. We're going to update the task controller. Bring in this, and we should copy paste the password. Request response view. Direct response. Okay. And we're going to store. Okay. Direct response. What do you guys think? Should like copy paste everything or type, because time is running out. Time is running out. Okay, we have these are validation. You know, quite straightforward. It is required, so it will validate the field is an empty type and the max characters. And we have a title. I'm going to make 25, maybe 50. Type is good for a title. Let's go with 50. Okay, don't make the same mistake. Tasks. We're done over here. Creating the relationship. Now we're going to hit the user model. See, this is our model. Right. As many. I already did this BootCamp, and I was typing all of this information, but now I want for you to spend too much time seeing me typing, you know. So we're going to change for task. What does this mean? A user has many tasks, right? Quite descriptive. It's related to web security. You can take a deep dive in this document. Now we're going to hit the Chirp, the task model. Okay, copy paste. I don't think even copy pasting will save us from the time. That's the way okay, fillable to let know this Laravel that it's okay for these fields to be assigned massively assigned. Oh, the migration. Okay, in here, you remember we have created migration, PHP artisan migrate. Here it is. We're going to take this, this, it's like the schema definition. This is the ID, foreign key relation. You know all this. We need a title. And we need the field for the status, and we are not going complex here. The task either is new when you are creating a task, or you complete the task. There is no postponed, do it later. It's quite simple. So we need another field, even if we are not interacting with that field in the web form or field. It's type boolean, and we need default value when it is created, it is complete. We're going to complete it, and we need to provide a default value when these rows are created, because it is completed at the beginning. No, so our default value. If you are performing, use. Don't be learning in some editor on the side when doing it. For me, it's okay. Okay, back to our discussion. We need to provide a default value. Now our migration is completed. A note on this. Data types in SQLite, they don't have the boolean, boolean data type, but they recognize the words true or false, being 1 and 0 respectively, and Laravel is in charge of doing the conversion. Maybe the engine itself. Well, here these are the types. SQLite. Now we can close this. And we need to perform the migration. Title message completed. Great. Our first task. Yeah. The description for the first task. Let us pretend that we haven't written anything and click save, and we have the errors. We didn't have to create any unordered list, like the tag U, L, and Li. The error from this component, the error component already took care of this, and it's showing the two fields. and it's great. And you can, of course, change the presentation and all the stuff. Okay, we have created a task. How do we know? They have this picture. I'm going to see which way artisan picture. Now think of this video more like not a performance but a walkthrough. The models, task, all. First one, task. It's 2 columns, you know, and that's all. You know, our task, you know, our task decision. Here's the default value, completed. And it's great. We can start showing our chirps. Unfortunately, the time has expired. Time has, you know, we are like 5 minutes and we have quite, we are half the way. If you want to stay, it's up to you. If not, maybe you can grab some breakfast. I already did my breakfast. I will finish this, but okay, time has expired. It's alright. Retrieving the chirp for us, retrieving the task in the controller. We're going to use this list in our index. Here is our index. Delete it. Paste the new one. Go to the beginning. Okay. This BI editor is quite good. I recommend to you to take a look. Task. Here, because in our context these are our tasks and we are retrieving from the user in reverse order. You know, these methods are, you know, quite descriptive. Great, this Laravel. Now again, Chirp. Facing this. Up. Where is this model? Why are we doing this? To establish the relationship. Don't forget it happened to us. Element. Okay, save to put it here. Okay, this Laravel have support for PHP Storm from JetBrains. If you want to use an IDE and be faster, not faster, I don't know, I just in the VI world for this season, and then updating our view. Next, let's update our Chirp index component to display the Chirp in our case. That is quite a fine amount of information that we need to also adapt, and I'm going to explain as we are the changes which will drain more time from the, for example, we're going to delete this figure, which is this SVG, and it will be looking good at the end. Yeah. Right below in our index, we will have the form and the tasks over here. So let's type in 2 minutes. When I do this, because I'm trying to see, this is quite obscure. Okay, below the form. Right. It's okay. Yeah. We will spend some minutes here adapting this. Oh my god. Time expired. It's up to you to keep watching the video. This is not live, this is being recorded. Imagine if this were being live. So, yeah, we need to finish. Okay, we are performing some format. This constructs are documented in the yeah, no. The directive, yeah, what's the name? Directive. We are using them for each existing directive, just adapting. This will traverse of course you know this, but look at the format, the syntax, right? Different from JavaScript. That's alright. I think it's great, These are the classes. Obvious, you know. We're going to delete the figure that we have mentioned. We can add another figure if you like. We are not adding any figure. Okay, this code renders to this. We are putting the name and the timestamp and the chirp. We instead are going to not using the name of the author. Instead, we are going to put the title here. There is a reason for them to put the name of the author. This is like a collaborative environment. You can create another account and see the other chirps. You can also, in our case, if you want to, it will be up to you, restrict to so the author can only see its content, you know. No other account will be able to see your content. You can do that, but we are not doing that over here. That's why they are putting the name here. We are not using that. We are going to use this for the title of the task. We are letting the date, the description over here, and we're going to put the completed flag over here with green coloring. This is the next section. For now, I have just explained what we are doing here. Oh my god, it will take me 2 hours. Okay, so name. No name for us. Instead, task, title. Classes are okay, great. This is the date. And, you know, this is the description. We left the field named message. If you change it to description, you should also change this. And because that's all. Look at this. We already solved this in the Tinker tool. First text, title, this is the date, this time is related to UTC, description for the first task. We can create another second task, description for the second task. Look, it is in reverse order, now with the latest method that is solved. Second task. Okay. Now in the next section, there will be some additions over here to edit this in case you have made a mistake, you can change this information. We are going to be able to destroy to delete the task, and until the end we are going to complete the task, so it is semantically aligned. New section. Since now we are going to edit chirps, we are going to bring two new routes. One for the edit form, the information, the web form, and one for the method itself. There is a command to see the routes, existing routes. Here it is. For our task, and here they are. Task index is low. That's the only one we have. Now we are bringing two more. Okay, let's get into sources. What's happening? Clouds. Edit, update. Okay, that's all. Great. Now executing we have, this is great because since it is a resource controller, it recognized the sort of method, and it took the parameter automatically, it's all there for you to shine. Now the thing we need is people implementing ideas. Okay, link into this page. Okay, we're copy pasting over here and explaining in the index late. What do they want? What do they want to achieve here is to these three little buttons at the menu. The three little buttons, and here they are. The SVG. First we need to I will explain this section in the code once adapted for us for our index. Okay, the resources is task index. Another thing that you can take advantage of IDEs, modern IDEs, 2024, almost 2024, it's coloring, syntax coloring. Maybe there are plugins for the BI editor, and I'm about to see see. We're trying to show. Okay, you at least you can see the lines over here too. No, okay, great. These are optimized to people that were like typing a lot in the past, so it has great functionality. But back to our discussion. No more detours, because maybe that's why we are draining too much time from the topic at hand. Maybe I need to work on that, on not too much side notes, you know. I forgot. Yeah, I would like to paste this code and explain why it's there. Okay, it's below this. Yes, because it's apparently too much code. We are comparing the date, and if the updated date is different from the created time, it will show that the Chirp is edited. We are going to adapt this, and instead say something like if task completed, since it is a boolean, it should work like this. Okay, one step at a time. Each task is completed. We are going to show that, in fact, completed. Well, we are going to use the green color because it is associated with, you know, the traffic. Go green. You can search for these values. You can search for these values in the tier 1 documentation. Tier 1 extra word. Look at this. This will be an official website font extra word. One way here it is. Okay. Font, where is extra word? extra vault. We're using that, and you can use all these classes in your Laravel application since they are using tailwind. Font extra vault. There's nothing here because our tasks are not completed. In order for you to see, we're going to negate this condition. And here it is how they will look when you click the button complete. It will appear like they are completed. Right now, okay, they have run because they are not completed. Okay, continue. This ended being, this stuff was meant to be a creation of a ToDo application. The strategy that I needed to use was to write the application, and instead my inner teacher is always trying to explain and to search for reasons. Okay, we have this. And we are going to show, as we explained earlier, only for the user. It is right below the list that we transform into an if. The background music is available for you to listen. Okay, here for self-start. These are facilities. We are not going to delete this SVG because these are the contextual menu, the 3 points, the figure. It's okay, we are leaving the edit label, but we are changing this. Instead, task for us and Chirp task. No more, okay, only one. And here we are done with this. Copy pasting. This is new. A new file. Edit like PHP. In the sources is great. We are in need to separate from field above. Save, it's okay. In the case the user cancel, we're going to the index. Okay, some error happened. We need to retrieve all. Not only for the message. Now we need the field, the text, the title. But we also need to change this. To reflect the update method for the post action in the form. So the method is patched. We are copy pasting from the index. From here. You can open two files in the VI editor. I have a long way to learn the VI still. Okay. Value. Why we need a value? I'm sorry. Why we need a value? Why we need a value? Because it will be pre-populated with their own value. Sorry, suddenly it's starting to go. Okay, for us this title. Something's wrong. Yeah. Alt. So we are going to test talking about test. We are not covering unit testing for this in this session. Take more time, almost 2 hours. I was given title and all close the quotes. don't worry, we are almost there. This is the longest difference in creation. The other two are kind of to complete. We'll need some other explanations. There is the controller. I think we are down here. Yeah, if we see an error, we can fix it. No big deal. Controllers. Chirp controller. Okay, no import. Edit. We are changing edit. Edit, returning a view. For edit, we are returning a view again. Why did you? This is for the authorization. I mean, it's quite obvious, but still, this task is arriving here. We are returning the model so the fields can be populated in a web form. What's wrong? It's like what's happening? Now let's finish this section. It should be related, this part, with the form. Looks like something is happening. We are going to see. Don't worry. Okay, here it is. We're missing this. Probably. We can experiment if we want to see why there is the blank page. We can experiment with this, but let's go in order. I think this session shouldn't be for experimentation. Update. Here we are returning a redirect response. Yeah. So paste. Okay. later I will be seeing if there is what commands are there in VI editor to replace, search and replace. Quite the same of this. There is the command junk. Why? I'm using the comma here. Yeah, it seems like we are down here. There are lots of notes here. I mean, this is well documented. Okay, this part is in relation to again with security. There are some policies in order for us to take the information. So this is the piece reported in the edit. Policy and the model. I'm not sure if you're saying this. Impose task. And there is a new file. Okay. In our case, it's task. It shows work because if not, I'm not sure that, second task description for the second task edition. Okay. Let them chill. Okay, this will be the final section. We are not going to show this, but it's a great resource. You have time to go throughout it. We're going to finish it to the list task, and then implement the complete button, and that will be all. 20 minutes, 2 hours instead of 1. Sorry. Okay, let's dive in. We need to add the story. Okay, if you want to see, the new one, delete. Try to inside our controller in the destroy. The direct response to the first addition. And let's copy and paste. You're going to delete the task, self-explanatory, and after that you're going to redirect to the index. That's for our destroy. Part. There is a this. Okay, another authorization in the policy. Where is it? Delete. For us, it's tough. Okay. Probably I went too fast. Okay, we located the delete function in we are like reusing this update, to avoid replicating this line, and in here you can refactor this line to another function, probably private, and then this update, and this delete, delay, and the track the code instead of. It's okay for this tutorial. It's okay. Of course. So in the view we need to add the delete button. You know, we have edit. Now we need to delete, and the delete button here. It will be below the edit. It will be below the edit. Oh, the time flies for sure. Where's our index? Here it is. Okay. Now we need to paste this, edit, link, or slot. Drop down. Okay. Okay. Now, okay. Post we are using the delete method annotation. This is the route we have just added. CSRF cross-site request forgery. This is a protection for you, courtesy of Laravel. On click event, prevent the foul physical script. This is for the event to not do what they do, and to suppress the behavior, and then they submit. Where is this? The form, and we are letting the level delete. And we now can test. We're going to add dirt. That's ToDo. This is dirt. That's ToDo. ToDo test. ToDo test. ToDo. Okay. Save it. Now we can delete our first tag. Something's wrong. Okay, we didn't save the changes. But now that we have saved the changes, we have the delete button. The task has gone. This is for ToDo. This is the description for the board. We are done. 2 hours. We need the complete button. And we're finished. Okay, the complete button. It will be in here. And it will be in the same vein. I believe it will be clickable, complete. And the complete level should appear here once completed. So we need to bring it to replicate this we call or drop. I would say complete. We should use batch. Complete. The route doesn't exist, which is true. That's complete. I think we are done with this. Let us see. Nothing here. Where is the complete? We need to create it. Here. Oh my god. Okay. We're going to create the route for the complete sorry, for the complete method. How do we do that? We look at the documentation. Here's one, get. There's another one. I think we are using this format, but we have a patch method that will be this path. If you put this definition below this, it will give you an error. Now what which format should we be using? I will take a look at the existing format. So it's tasks, the model, and the operation. I will do the same. Remember, for us is complete. Yeah, I want to show you something. Oh my. Yes. ¿Cómo estás?
¿Tienes el computador?
No, esta apunta allá. Esta proyecta allá.
¿Qué estás haciendo?
Este es un solo monitor. No es. Aquí está la computadora. Con ese se conecta. ¿Qué estoy haciendo? Grabando. Para YouTube. Vas a salir en YouTube. Explicando. Sí, para el. Te están viendo y escuchando. Ahí estás.
En grabación.
Ah, no te ven. Ah, sí está.
Ay, no, Dios mío.
Así van a salir.
Voy a salir
Yeah, I want you. That's my nephew. That was my nephew. Probably I should tell her to say hi. I didn't. I want to show you something. I want to show you something. Okay, look at this definition as it is. Now, let's print the routes. Look at this. Complete. First, we didn't change the method, so we are fixing that. Oh my God. For us, remember, it's a patch. Okay. Patch. Task complete. Now, at this point, the system still won't be able to find the route. It will say it will tell you that it is not defined. You need to give it a name. Yeah, I found that probably if you're an Laravel expert, you will probably help me to know how this is named, or the concepts behind those things. Okay, also we need to use the middleware for authorization. Okay. So middleware, and then out. So we can, only authorize to pass for the authorization layer. Now, in relation to the other things that I told you, like let us try with task complete. Let us see here in our tasks complete. Yeah, that should do it. You can see behind the terminal that the thing has started to work again. So let us see here. Okay, task complete. Task complete. Task complete. And in here it doesn't not have a name. You see? Of course, I don't know the concepts of why we needed to put a name on this. Okay, complete. Something is missing. You need to write the complete method. We're going to base our complete method in the update function. Complete request task response okay. The first thing is to authorize update. We don't need this because we are updating one single field, the boolean field, you know. So instead we are writing the last line, so we get route. I should copy paste from the above. Okay, how do we write this code? Okay, looking at the documentation. Okay, I think we are done with the routing. We can close this one. We are done with the migrations. Installation. Now in here update. Update go. Update. Okay, update. We need to find the one that we are going to update. Update the field and save. Okay. One last time. Okay, we're going to say here OPD. We can name it as one task. Which one for us will be the one that is translating task ID parameter. Okay, for us is completed. True. Should do it. This should be. Now we find this using Eloquent, the ID from the task. Perhaps there is a way to actually update directly the field like they are doing here. But it would require more time to read the documentation and see how it can be done with this remember this method was part of the original resource definition. Maybe that should be taken into consideration. Let's test. The first of the fifth sunlight. Yes, it's okay. Now we need to complete. Oh my God. The get method is not supported for boot by complete. We did something wrong. Only 51. Perhaps in our index. More than 2 hours. Oh yeah. Don't hate me. Patch. That's complete. The only thing I can think about is the index. Reform. This will take me even more time. Complete method patch tasks complete. There's something. There's something wrong with this. Okay. The gate method is also called the type route task type complete. Seems like it's being called with get well. What is patch task in here? Route patch this is cool, you know. This okay. Task complete. I'm not sure where is this thing happening, because we have this seems to be okay. Route patch. Over here, let's change this. See what we get. This is tinkering. What's wrong with this? This is okay. What did we change? I think is wrong here. Well, let us string this to see if it is arriving here. the separator. Something's wrong, Victor. Method. Complete. Okay. Nothing here. That happened. We didn't change like anything. We just printed it. Now we are going to list as the book. Create a new task, like waste them to tomato, I guess, do it now. Then we're going to edit this one. This one and complete. Okay, here it is. Well, that's it. You saw me suffering and enjoying the whole thing. Hopefully you guys enjoy it. This was meant to be like a speed run for an hour in an hour time lapse. This is needing me to explain the stuff when interacting with people. I need to work in the speed run part. Less chit chat and more typing faster, but it's okay for me. So I hope for you to have a great morning, have a nice day, and Happy New Year. Bye for now.